Hey there, happiness seekers. Welcome to my fabulous realm of Joe. I'm the happiness guru, and today I'm going to reveal the most secretive, top secret, 100% scientific methods to achieve pure, unadulterated happiness. Spoiler alert, it involves a lot of glitter. Step 1. Wake up and smile like you just saw a unicorn. Grab a mirror and say, "Good morning, gorgeous," until you believe it. If you don't laugh, keep saying it louder and with more jazz hands. If you're still sleepy, drink a gallon of coffee and then perform an interpretive dance routine to your favorite song. You're now caffeinated and emotionally prepared to tackle the day. Step 2. Breakfast of champions. Not just any breakfast. We're talking pancakes with extra whipped cream, bacon, and a cherry on top. The cherry is mandatory. It's like the crown jewel of your morning feast. Pro tip: if you make a mess, just tell everyone it's abstract breakfast art. Bonus points if you wear a chef's hat while cleaning up, makes it look intentional. Step 3. Time to dress like you're about to rock out at a sold-out concert. Pick an outfit that screams "I'm here to party." It's totally okay if your socks don't match and your shirt is from 1997. Remember, the more you look like you raided a circus tent, the happier you'll feel. Confidence is key. Step 4. Dance like nobody's watching. And by nobody, I mean everyone on the internet. Crank up your favorite jam and let loose. The weirder, the better. If you have pets, invite them to join the party. If they're not interested, just dress them up in tiny costumes and keep dancing. They'll thank you later. Step 5. Laugh until your belly hurts. Watch a hilarious video, read a silly joke, or recall the time you walked into a glass door. Laugh so hard that even your neighbors are concerned. If you need extra help, try telling a joke to your houseplants. They may not laugh, but you'll definitely feel better. Step 6. Be a goofball. Wear a cape, carry a bubble wand, and run around like you're auditioning for the silliest superhero movie ever. Your mission: spread joy and confusion. If people stare, just wave your wand and say, "I'm on a top secret happiness mission." They'll either join you or admire your commitment. Step 7. Relax like a pro. Draw yourself a bubble bath, grab a rubber ducky, and pretend you're in a 5-star spa. If you fall asleep, call it advanced relaxation and don't worry about it. You've earned it. Now, repeat these steps daily, and you'll be the happiest, quirkiest, most glitter-covered person you know. Thanks for tuning into my totally serious tutorial on how to be happy. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your funniest moments in the comments below. Until next time, stay fabulous and keep laughing.